Immer habe ich nach dem Grundsatz gehandelt, lieber Geld verlieren als Vertrauen.
The company's unique history began in 1886 with a one-of-a-kind company founder, Robert Bosch, industrialist, Democrat, visionary. He cared deeply about striking a balance between economic success and social responsibility. As a result, Bosch helped ensure continuity at a company that was constantly rising to new challenges. But success didn't always come easy. The up-and-coming company was already rocked by more than one crisis before 1900, and others followed. Still, Bosch never thought of giving up. He kept thinking about what has to change. He moved past the old to try new things. Robert Bosch and his successors found new strategies, expanded the company to take on additional business fields, employed state-of-the-art working methods like assembly line production, and engineered groundbreaking products. To this day, the ability to change is the foundation on which the company's success is built, allowing it to also master challenges such as digitalization and transformation in mobility. Robert Bosch's final wish was to ensure the company's strong and meaningful development, even after his death, especially the values of trust, openness, and fairness.
Die Unantastbarkeit meiner Versprechungen, der Glaube an den Wert meiner Ware und den an ein Wort standen mir stets höher als ein vorübergehender Gewinn.